our main entry gate. Now we are just see that the outer view of the whole block of our school. This is our parking area where staff, some vehicles are standing here along with administrative vehicles. This is our boundary wall from this side. Guideline, all the measures we are taking. This is the inspection spray cylinder. While at the entry, they used to play here. Now moving to the area, he is our PTI Tikesh. He will explain it.
Myself Tikesh Sahu. I did BPEd, MPEd, set qualified. This is our track and field.
कौन से गेम्स
ये बैडमिंटन, वॉलीबॉल कोर्ट, बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट. This is a खो-खो कोर्ट.
This is small kitchen area, kitchen garden.
खो-खो कोर्ट.
One for classroom for class 1. This is 600 square feet classroom with the audio visual room. It's a smart class and for the students of primary section, that is from classes 1 to 3 most. Dry powder. Now we are entering to classroom. This is classroom, room number 2 for classroom 2. That is for class 2. Again it is audiovisual room, smart class. Third room. This is class room number 3 and classroom 3 for class 3rd. This is again 600 square feet classroom with smart class and the speed box. This is the next classroom. This is only for audio visual activity that students can come. Both the rooms are there. Again 3 classrooms are there which is equipped with smart class. But this classroom is entirely that is given for the student other from 3rd to 10th. They can come once in a week to see the smart classes. This is the drinking area, ground floor, and this is the washroom for the boys. This is aquaguard along with the water cooler. This is the washroom. To the next class, that is class 5th. Again 600 square feet classroom equipped with desks, benches and all. Next class is for class 6. This classroom is for 600 square feet, well ventilated. And so we have the classroom 8, out of which 1 is audio visual and rest 7 is Shweta Adi library.
Good afternoon. I am Shweta Adi. I am librarian. Welcome to our library. This is the reading corner from magazine, books, education policy, 2000 magazine, newspapers. Then 1200 square feet area, 1200 square feet area and 10 self library. First self English, content English and 001 160 many different books. Student reading area.
The principal's room, which is common room. Common room is attached.
Good afternoon. I am Dr. Kavita Giripaswamy, Principal of Lilas Public School. Thank you.
Okay. This is the, here we are entering in staff room 1. All the teachers are, because they have some online classes today, they are taking class 8. This is for class 8. Again 600 square feet classroom along with some charts are there related to science, and that cupboard is there to keep the things, important thing for the teacher. All the classrooms is for 9. Green and white board combination is there for class 9, and again 600 square feet classroom along with the charts and the almirah for the teacher as well. Third classroom of first floor for class 10. This is again the same pattern, the same infrastructure for class 10. This is, before going to the washroom area, this is our wellness center. In wellness center, you can see the beds are there when the students are not feeling well, or it is equipped with, and the counselor is here, used to be here. Along with that, the medicines are also the first aid room and boys washroom also, where the partition for the student is on there, and the Indian and the Western toilet along with the wash basin. And purpose. This is another classroom, again 600 square feet with dirt desks, benches and all the other extra classroom for the student for senior secondary level. Another fire extinguisher, and this is extra classroom 3rd. Classroom 3, which is extra classroom for upgradation purpose. This is the fire extinguisher, same pattern. This is the washroom, 1200 square feet. We are entering. She is Neelam. She is introducing about the IT lab.
I am Neelam Yadav, TGT computer. This is our library. This is our computer lab. The area of lab is 100 square feet. There are 20 complete set of computers along with full internet.
All are maintained, and this basically tabla and other things. This is activities, and next is our indoor sports room. Again, which have two doors. You already met Tikesh Sahu there, Tikesh Kumar Sahu, our PDI. They will explain you about the indoor sports.
Table tennis, Chinese checker, कैरम बोर्ड, ये अपना वेट मशीन, कैरम बोर्ड, चेस, and our sport store rooms, hoops, store room, cone, football, volleyball, basketball.
We are moving to next classroom. We are moving from this next classroom, which is, its type is, now we are entering to physics lab.
Good morning. I am Ritansh, TGT Science. This is our physics lab. It is 600 square feet. We are having different types of instruments related to physics here. Like this is physical balance. This is spring balance. Now it's 600 square feet, and we are having here biologic stock register in which particular details are here. We are having list of experiment. It is revised, and then also we are having microscopes also here, and list of permanent slides. And I want to show you that we are having chemistry stock register.
And very good for the eyes to observe. Okay.
mark program in TGT Maths. First of all, I will show you log register to different activities to maintain. Second one is the stock register to maintain the stocks of mathematics. There are lot of diagrams.
DO certificate. This DO certificate, page 1, page 2, and page 3. Visible?
Yes.
Affidavit.
Current affidavit.
Then fire and safety.
Then
Fire
building
and
safety.
safety, their building.
Then
Then that supporting documents for ATF, which we have discussed earlier.
okay.
Okay.
ये तो health and sanitation वगैरह आ गया. ठीक है.
Okay. Now moving to this side. All these documents were moving to this side. We have admission form 2016-17, 17-18, 18-19, 19-20 of the students. Okay. We have TOT 5, principal along with the teacher, state government circulars. We have CBSE circulars, notice and file. Then we have all the bill of the lab equipments. We have this NCF, new guideline for classes 9
वो
and
library
10.
में है ना जो new education policy है.
We have discussed that thing. This is board meeting file. And this is the consolidated exams of exam result, circular related to exams, timetable and all that, all the weekly test planner, half yearly, midterm, and this is the consolidated result from classes 1 to 9 of the session 2019-20. This is admission register. 17-18, 16-17, 17-18, 18-19. This is teaching staff register because of the online teachers due to COVID online present is going on. They are not coming physically today due to VIOS video meetings.